Homeowners in Anthem are no strangers to the Arizona climate, with its hot summers, bright sunshine, and occasional desert winds. Keeping your home comfortable while maintaining energy efficiency can be a challenge. That's why more residents are turning to Eco Windows and Doors of Anthem, a trusted choice for homeowners who want long-term comfort, savings, and sustainability. Investing in energy-efficient, eco-friendly windows and doors isn't just about immediate benefits. It's a decision that pays off for years to come. From lower utility costs to improved home value and comfort, here's why this investment offers exceptional long-term value for Anthem homeowners. Energy efficiency that saves you money. One of the most significant advantages of eco-friendly windows and doors is energy efficiency. Anthem's intense desert heat can cause older windows and doors to leak cool air, making your air conditioning system work overtime. Eco Windows and Doors of Anthem uses advanced materials like low emissivity glass, argon gas fills, and insulated frames to minimize heat transfer. These technologies help maintain a consistent indoor temperature by keeping heat out during summer and retaining warmth in cooler months. Over time, this reduces your home's energy consumption and can cut your monthly utility bills by 20 to 30%. The savings you gain year after year make these upgrades a smart, cost-effective investment that pays for itself. Lasting comfort and climate control. Beyond saving energy, eco-efficient windows and doors provide year-round comfort. Older or poorly insulated frames often let hot air, dust, and noise seep into your home. Eco-friendly replacements are designed to seal tightly, blocking outdoor elements and keeping your interiors quiet, clean, and comfortable. This insulation also prevents drafts and uneven temperatures, creating a more enjoyable living space, something every Anthem homeowner can appreciate during triple-digit summers or cool desert nights. Durable materials for long-term performance in a climate as demanding as Anthem's, durability is essential. Constant exposure to sunlight, dry air, and dust can cause traditional window and door materials to warp, crack, or fade over time. Eco Windows and Doors of Anthem uses high-quality, weather-resistant materials like vinyl, fiberglass, and aluminum-clad composites. These materials are engineered to resist UV damage, moisture, and expansion caused by heat, ensuring your investment looks and performs beautifully for decades. With minimal maintenance required, you'll save both time and money on repairs or replacements down the road. Boosting property value and curb appeal. Energy-efficient upgrades don't just improve performance, they also increase your home's market value. Buyers today look for homes that combine sustainability with modern style, and eco-friendly windows and doors deliver both. Their sleek, contemporary designs enhance curb appeal, while their proven efficiency adds resale value. In fact, homeowners often recover a large portion of their investment through higher home valuation and quicker sales when it's time to move. Whether you choose a bold modern entry door or expansive energy-efficient windows that showcase Anthem's stunning desert views, these upgrades make your property stand out. A sustainable choice for the future. Investing in eco-efficient windows and doors isn't just beneficial for your wallet, it's also good for the planet. Eco Windows and Doors of Anthem prioritizes sustainable manufacturing and recyclable materials, helping reduce your home's carbon footprint. By lowering your energy usage, you contribute to cleaner air, fewer emissions, and a healthier environment for future generations. It's a meaningful way to make your home both eco-friendly and future-proof. Professional installation ensures maximum value. Even the best windows and doors need expert installation to perform at their full potential. Eco Windows and Doors of Anthem provides professional installation services that guarantee airtight seals, proper alignment, and long-term reliability. Their local technicians understand Anthem's climate and building standards, ensuring your windows and doors are installed to handle both heat and seasonal winds. Proper installation not only prevents air leaks and moisture but also preserves your product warranties for added peace of mind. Final thoughts for Anthem homeowners. Investing in Eco Windows and Doors is more than just a home improvement. It's a long-term commitment to efficiency, comfort, and sustainability. With energy-saving technology, durable materials, and professional installation, you gain protection from the harsh Arizona elements while adding value and beauty to your home. In the long run, eco-efficient windows and doors pay for themselves through lower energy bills, lasting durability, and enhanced curb appeal. They're not just upgrades, they're smart investments in the future of your home and the environment. When it comes to comfort, savings, and sustainability, Eco Windows and Doors of Anthem delivers results you can feel, and value that lasts for years to come.